Who's next?
Okay.
Who we got?
Thomas and Douglas.
Next time we do a tender one. Oh!
Hey.
Oh, is he going to do it?
Brother.
Oh!
This is a contrite down. Thomas the other slow engine. Now all of them are gonna go up.
Do you not need to switch them on?
They're waiting.
He's holding up all the trains. What? Has it got hiccups? Finally, a diesel. Dodge. Oh, slow but sure. Who's at the front? Gordon.
I can move to the wow.
Poor Henry. Who's next?
Okay.
Who we got? Oh, we got. Oh, another
Thomas and Douglas.
Douglas.
Thomas and Douglas look the same.
They do.
Look.
I think they're twins.
Yeah. Maybe we should put their tenders on.
No tenders today.
And then maybe they can go together.
Next time we'll do a tender one. Oh!
Hey.
Oh dear. Something wrong with Donald. Oh, is he going to do it? Oh!
Uh-oh, he's going to slide down.
He is.
But Thomas is going to come with him.
Join in. Do they not need a bit of room to come up?
They don't. They can just climb slide down. Thomas can push them up.
Listen, slow Thomas. Nice one.
So,
And now, who else is going on the line?
of course, the other slow engines.
Sponsor and Spencer were really fast.
Yeah, they're slow. Now all of them are going to go up.
Do you not need to switch them on?
No. You can do like that.
Okay.
And stay there.
Okay.
Keep
That's
it
fine.
so you can stand for
That was a traffic jam.
They're
He's
waiting.
holding up all the trains. Oh. Has it got hiccups?
Yeah.
Hold your breath. Poco. What's Poco doing?
Gonna say that.
And who's that? Oh, we got a diesel. Finally, a diesel. Dodge. Oh, slow but sure. And Hero.
Hero's gonna hold them all up.
Okay,
This
right.
is the strongest engine.
right. Yep. And now what? Now what?
That's all the engines.
Are they not going to go round? You've got so many. Look, you're all queuing up to get to the top of the hill. And who's at the front? Gordon. But how's he got to get back down?
He's gonna kiss him
Oh,
and then let him go away again.
all the others are in the way.
I think you know that.
How are they going to go down the hill?